Hello everyone, I am Azira. Today I would like to explain about what is compound interest. Okay, first of all, compound interest is commonly applied in investment and saving. Unlike simple interest where the interest is calculated only on the original principal, compound interest is calculated on an increasing principal. This is because the interest earned is added to the principal at the end of each interest period. Over time, this led to significant growth, making it a powerful tool for wealth building.
Hi, my name is Erina. To calculate compound interest, we use a few formulas. The main formula to find the future value is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of n, where P is the principal or starting amount, K is the annual interest rate, M is how many times interest is added per year, and T is the number of years. We also use I equals to K over M to find the periodic interest rate, and M equals to MT to find the total number of interest periods. Once we have the future value S, we can find the total interest earned with I equals to S minus P. If we want to know how much we need to invest now to reach a certain amount in the future, we use P equals to S over in bracket 1 plus K over M power of MT. These formulas help us to understand how much money grows over time through compound interest.
Calculate his initial investment. Bank KK, I equal S minus P. I stands for compound interest, S for future value, P for present value. 16,651.93 equal S1 minus P1. P plus 16,651.93 equal P open bracket 1 plus 0.0615 over 2 close the bracket power of 2 times 10. P is 20,000 ringgit. LLS equal P open the bracket 1 plus K over M close the bracket power of MT. 16,441.71 equal P open the bracket 1 plus 0.0525 over 4 close the bracket power of 4 times 10. P equal to 51,000 ringgit. Total investment 20,000 plus 15,000 equals 30,000 ringgit.
Next is question B. After 120 months, the interest rate changed to 7% compounded every 2 months for Bank KK and 4% compounded quarterly for Bank LL. Calculate the accumulated value of his investment at the end of the item. For Bank KK, 20,000 ringgit plus 16,651 ringgit and 93 cents equals to 36,651 ringgit and 93 cents. 36,651 ringgit and 93 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 6 power of 6 times 10. So the final amount for S is 73,509 ringgit and 47 cents. For Bank LL, 15,000 ringgit plus 10,270 ringgit and 43 cents equals to 25,270 ringgit and 43 cents. 25,270 ringgit and 43 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 4. Power of 4 times 10. So the final amount of S is 37,624 ringgit and 23 cents. Next is find the total interest earned from both banks. For Bank KK, 73,509 ringgit and 47 cents minus 36,651 ringgit and 93 cents. So the final amount is 36,857 ringgit and 54 cents. For Bank LL, 37,624 ringgit and 23 cents minus 25,270 ringgit and 43 cents. The final answer is 12,353 ringgit and 80 cents. The amounts from Bank KK and Bank LL must be combined to obtain the total interest earnings. So, 36,857 ringgit and 54 cents plus 12,354 ringgit and 80 cents. The answer is 49,211 ringgit and 34 cents.
Hi, my name is Azra. So I'm going to explain about annuity. First of all, we have to understand annuity is a financial concept that plays a crucial role in investment, saving, and long-term financial security. It refers to a series of periodic payments or deposits made in equal amounts at regular intervals of time. This structured financial arrangement help individuals plan for their future, ensuring stability in savings and retirement funding. So why are annuities important? The first one is for retirement planning. Annuities provide retirees with a steady stream of income, reducing financial uncertainties. The second one is long-term investment. Investors use annuities as a tool to grow wealth systematically. The third one is risk management. Annuities help in avoiding financial instability caused by sudden expenses or economic downturns. So now I'm going to explain application of annuity. Annuity calculation involve mathematical formulas that help determine the future value of periodic investment. These formulas assist individuals in calculating returns based on interest rate, time duration, and payment frequency. The ability to apply annuity calculations accurately ensure effective financial decision making.
Hello, today we'll be exploring two essential formulas used in annuities: the future value or amount value formula and the present value or discounted value formula. These concepts are widely applied in financial calculations, whether you plan investments or analyzing loan payments. Let's break them down step by step. For future value or amount value formula, we use S equals to R, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close bracket, power MT minus 1 over K over M. For present value or discounted value of annuity formula, we use A equals to R, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close bracket, power minus MT over K over M. So, 4S stands for future value or accumulated value. For R is periodic payments, I stands for periodic interest rate, I equals to K or M. N is for term of investment, N equals to MT. For future value interest earned, we use I equals to S minus NR. For present value interest earned, we use I equals to NR minus A.
So I'm going to discuss question 2A from this problem statement. Mr. Arman buys a refrigerator from an electrical shop by paying in monthly installments. He needs to pay 150 ringgit every month for 4 years. The electrical shop charged him 8% interest compounded monthly. Calculate the cash price of the refrigerator. So R is equal to 150 ringgit, stand for predict payments, N is equal to 48 months, stand for term of investment, which is we have to multiply M and T, and I equals to 0.08 over 12, stand for predict interest rate, which is we have to divide K and M. So A equal to 150 ringgit, multiply 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 12 close bracket power of negative 12 in bracket 4 over 0.08 over 12. So the answer is 6,144.29 ringgit. Roman 2. Calculate the total interest charge. 150 multiply 48 equal to 7,200 ringgit. So after that, we need to find total interest charge with formula I equal to N multiply R minus A. 7,200 ringgit minus 6,144.29 ringgit equal to 1,055.71 ringgit. Roman 3. Just after paying for the 20th installment, Mr. Aman decides to settle the outstanding balance of the loan. How much does he need to pay to fully settle it? So the formula we use here is A equal to R multiply 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M power of negative MT over K over M. So A equals to 150 ringgit multiply 1 minus in bracket 0 plus 0.08 over 12 power of negative 12 multiply 4 over 0.08 over 12. So the answer is 3,819.55 ringgit.
So in this question, the company anticipates needing 120,000 ringgit in 8 years to replace hardware systems. Instead of saving a lump sum, they plan to invest at regular intervals in an account that compounds interest quarterly at 8.2% per year. So here, we use the future value of an annuity formula to determine how much must be invested critically. We use the formula of S equals to R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power N minus 1 over I, where S is for the future value, which is 120,000 ringgit, R is for predict investment amount, I is for interest rate per period like 0.082 over 4, and N is for the total number of periods, which is 8 times 4 equals to 32 quarterly periods. So now, we substitute the given values into the formula to find R, the predict investment amount. After solving the equation, we find that the company must invest 2,690 ringgit 58 cent at the end of every month period to reach 120,000 ringgit in 8 years. So now, we need to determine the total amount Ellie owes on her fourth payment. We use the future value of annuity formula, which is S equals to R open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket power of MT minus 1 over K over M, where S is the future value and R is the monthly installment, which is 1,550, and K is annual interest rate 4.7% or 0.047. M is the number of compounding periods per year, which is 12 months, and T is the number of missed months, 3 months. Now, we substitute the given values into the formula, which is 1,550 equals to open bracket 1 plus 0.047 over 12 close bracket power of 4 minus 1 over 0.047 over 12. After solving the equation, we find that Ellie must pay 6,200 236 ringgit 52 cent on her fourth payment to cover the missed installments and accrued interest.